How to create a QR code for your Instagram account. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to create a QR code for your Instagram account. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so open up the Instagram app on your mobile device, then head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Once you're in your profile, tap on the menu button in the top right hand corner. And you'll see on the next menu there's an option for QR code, so tap on that one. And then that's just generated a QR code for your Instagram account, which you can share with your friends. If you want to change the background, currently it's set to emoji, and you can just tap on the background to change the emoji to something different. If you don't want to use an emoji as the background, tap on where it says emoji at the top. And here it's going to take a selfie. You can take a selfie. You can again tap on the background to change what type of selfie. Then tap on that button once more, and then it goes to color. So then you can change the background color as well, so it's a different color when you share it. And that's all it takes to create a QR code for your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.